Okay, so we are going to look at our mind test 6.1c. Okay, the diagram on the right shows a circle with center O. Okay, determine the value of x. How to find the value of x is going to be x. Yes, from the same arc, isn't it? If you look over here, this is going to be our arc. So, this is going to be our x. You are going to have the same one with our 40 here, same arc. So straight away, you are going to get your x here is going to be 40 degree. Okay, from the same arc. Okay, how did we want to find our y angle? Where is our y? Y is going to be at the center. What can you say about the angle at the center? 2 times from the angle at our circumference, isn't it? So same arc also. So you are going to have y here. You are going to take 40 times with 2. So we are going to get your y here is going to be 80 degree. Next, how we are going to find the value for z angle here, or you say z here, times why? Why you divide by 2? Because, okay, if you look over here, girls, from our center here, this is going to be our radius. So what you have over there? Isosceles triangle. Am I right? What is the property of isosceles? The two legs there, they have the same length. What else? The angle also going to be the same. So what did it means here? This is also our z, isn't it? So one triangle is going to be 180. So that's why your friend said we have already the value for y here, isn't it? So we are going to minus with 80. Then, because we are going to find only the one value of z there, because we have 2z, isn't it? So that's why we are going to divide it by 2. Can you understand? You have to explain why did you want to divide by 2, because you have 2z there. So z plus z, you are going to get 2z. To get 1z, you have to divide it by 2. So 180 minus 80, 100, 100 divided by 2? 50. Yes, that's why your answer for z here is going to be 50 degree. Oh, like that. Can I proceed? Can. Okay, we look at our second question. The diagram on the right shows a circle with center O, given that the length of arc PQ equals to QR. Okay, given already there. And the measure angle POQ is 310 degree. Calculate the value of x, y, z. Okay, so I go for which one first? X. So for x there, you know already the measure for POQ there is 310. So to find x, yes, to find the angle x over here, we are going to get 360 minus with 310. So your x value here is going to be 50 degree. Can class? Can class? Okay, next. How we are going to find our y value here? Y divided by 2. The same angle? Yelah, betul lah, same angle. Which one? At Q here, isn't it? Cakap lah. So, you are going to have what over here? You are going to have, what is this? Isosceles triangle. So, to find your y here, we are going to have 180 for what? The sum of the interior angle, isn't it? For our triangle is 180. So, we minus with our x there 50 degree first. Then we are going to divide it by 2 because we have 2y over there. So 180 minus 50, we are going to get 130 divided by 2. You are going to get 65 degree. Can class? Okay. How to find our z? Where is z? Z is going to be both here. Yeah, z is going to be both there. Or not only one, both here. Both. Why I said both angle? How to get the total of z there? What's given to us at first here? Length arcs PQ equals to QR. Means that our angle here is going to be the same here. Right? So means what? Means I can use x there. That's the angle at the center by using the same arc over here. Where is our same arc here? This one. Arc PQ. You are going to get your x there is what just now? 50. So the angle at the circumference is going to be half. The angle at the center is going to be 2 times from the angle at our circumference. Remember? Not remember. Good for you. Okay, let me draw. Alamak. This is our circle. This is going to be our center. Okay. So what we have previously, this is going to be our arc. Okay, let's say this is going to be PQ. So the angle here is going to be 2x. And the angle at the circumference from the same arc there, you're going to get x over here. So means that the angle at circumference is going to be half from the angle at the center. So if you look back at our question here, cikgu tak sama pun. Okay. If you look here, what can you see? You are going to see over here is the angle at the center at S there. Can you see that? So you are going to get how? To get Z there, you are going to have 50 degree times divide by 2, and then you are going to times by 2 back, isn't it? Why times by 2 back? Because you have 2 angle there. 2 angle. Okay. Let me. Okay. Wait. Okay, ramai orang nanti pening. Okay, sekejap. Alamak. Okay. First, I'm not going to find Z first. I'm going to find half from Z. Half from Z, isn't it? The Z is going to be the whole thing there, right? So, We have X, Y, Z there. Okay, I'm going to name it this one. The little angle here is going to be A. Can? So means that to find A here, I'm going to get 50 degree divided by 2. Am I right? So you're going to get what? 25 degree. That's not your Z. That's only apart from our Z. So we know that our PQ arc is going to be the same with our QR here. Am I right? So when we have the same length, so you are going to get the same what? Angle also here. So you have Z here is going to be A plus A. Am I right? So A already 25. So 25 plus 25, what do you get? Yes, 50 degree back. That's what I write just now. At first, Z equals to 50 divided by 2 times back by 2. If I write like that, no one know why. So I have to explain more so that you can understand why I write 50 divided by 2 then times by 2 back. Can? Can I what? Why take 5? You take what? We just start our what? Our discussion on mind test over here. You want to take 5? Oh. Okay, can class? Yes. I can go. Number 1, Number 1. Red button. Number 1. Okay. Can we go to the next one? Yeah, okay. So we are going to look at mind test 6.1D. Okay, I'm going to stop this one first.